Ukuthi-ke ukamkhelo mangabe lithola iqiniso kuthiwa kufanele ahambe ayovula icala ukuthi kwenzekani kahle hle kubaba wakhe, and ngokubuka kwezinto kuba sengathi useyabona ukuthi there is something eyenziwa-ke uma wakhe nomalume wakhe kubaba wakhe, but-ke kunzima ukuthi angayo report. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sign Live Channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Legacy from the 16th to the 20th of June 2025 on Monday. Mpho is glad to hear the search is back on. It looked like Juju outplay them all. Did Tiro's presence at the Morocco house arouse suspicion on Tuesday? Pele is determined to fix the mess he made. The boys make startling connection in their investigation. Lucy's quiet warning is much scarier than an angry one on Wednesday. Namhla is ready to move on again. Kamokhelo has a big decision to make. Fikile relishes the chance to spite her nemesis on Thursday. Kia has an idea that shocked Kumo. Lulu's revelation gives Samgelo an idea. The showdown ends with a gunshot and a dead body on Friday. Ayanda doesn't like hearing the truth. The cousins are livid when their teammate drops them again. The boys hit a clinch with the investigation. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.